We've been talking about this for some time now, and this is getting more and more intense. Q1 2026 is officially in the books. The damage: 45,000 tech jobs gone, wiped out in 90 days. There was a time when companies used to whisper about automation. They hid behind words like restructuring. I guess not anymore. 20% of those recent layoffs explicitly cited AI as the cause, which is a massive threshold and makes it official, revealing a very uncomfortable reality of bots being on the payroll while the humans are getting severance packages. But if you thought that that particular reality I just spoke about is the whole story, encouraging you to think that AI is taking over completely, please think again. Engineering job openings have recently hit a 3-year high. 67,665 open roles as of March 2026, which is up 78.2% from the bottom. And as you might have observed in the past, that Wall Street loves selling the total replacement story. But the reality on the ground is a massive reshuffle. Nearly half those posted engineering roles that I just mentioned, exactly 44.6% of them, they are entry and mid-level. The algorithm is forcing a mutation. Companies want completely different skills. They are restructuring the very fabric of who does the work. The internal data from OpenAI, this is interesting, they track the power users, the so-called frontier workers sitting in the 95th percentile. They send 6 times more messages to the AI than the median worker. That is a chasm. The gap between AI fluent teams and AI reluctant teams is widening every single day, and it pays off. Gartner surveyed 1,973 managers for last year. The organizations fully redesigning their work processes with AI are twice as likely to crush their revenue goals. That trillion-dollar dream is real for the early adopters. But then there is a snag, and a very expensive one. Companies are slashing staff way too fast, which is leading to a bleeding in the institutional memory. The unwritten rules of how an organization actually makes decisions and survives a crisis, it is starting to fade faster than anyone can document it. And what is even more disturbing is the fact that AI cannot replace what was never recorded in the first place. And if you're ready, here is the front page take. This workforce data needs to lead every CIO conversation in 2026. You buy the shiny new software, you fire the legacy staff, you skip the workforce reskilling. What happens? You do not get a productivity gain. You get a massive productivity yawning gap. You just bought a Formula One car and fired the only crew who knows how to keep it on track. Adapt or get left behind. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.